Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this smart band. So let's get started. And to change the not smart band but watch face on our smart band, wake up the screen by tapping on it, and now you should see the current watch face. And you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the watch face you would like to apply, and once you find it, you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize watch faces. So under the watch faces, some of them will have the settings icon. You can tap on it, tap on got it, and now, oh my bad, let's tap on it again. Now we can change, for example, the style of the watch face. You can also, some of the watch faces allow you to change the complications, so the widgets. You can select something you like, and let's select all the battery ones, so we won't miss the battery life. And then once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on the check mark to confirm, and the changes should be applied, as you can see. If your watch is, or if your smart band is paired with a phone, you can always open the Mi Fitness application on the phone and also use it to change the watch face. So if you bring the phone, zoom out the camera a bit so you can see the whole screen of the phone, you can open the Mi Fitness application, tap on device, and here you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro. And now you can see we have this category called Manage Band Displays, and you can tap on all, local, and here we have the list of local watch faces, and you can find the watch face you like, tap on apply, and it will be applied on your watch. You can also download additional watch faces. So if you open the manage local displays, you will have the online store, and basically you can scroll through the store rather, my bad, and look for something you like. And once you find the watch face you enjoy, you can simply tap on it, tap on apply. It will start downloading, and once it's done installing, it will be applied on your smart band as well, like this. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this smart band. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.